To connect Zendrop to Shopify, start by opening a browser and navigating to Shopify.com. Log into your account, which will take you to the dashboard. From the left panel, click on Add Apps, then select Apps in the Shopify store at the bottom of the new screen. This will take you to the Shopify store, where you can find Zendrop on the homepage. Click on it, then click Install on the left side of the new page. You will be redirected to another page on Shopify, where you should click Install on the right side. This will install and connect Zendrop to Shopify. You will then be redirected to Zendrop, where you need to enter a password. Confirm the password, and click Sign Up at the bottom. This will successfully create your Zendrop account and connect it to Shopify, allowing you to add products from Zendrop directly to your store. You can access Zendrop from the Shopify homepage.